So I just fill the petrol for 1 liter in a bottle, and I'll be pouring this in Duke 125. We'll check the exhaust node in this. It looks like a same like Duke 200, but for this they have changed the stickering, and the CC is one or different. Everything is same, even the exhaust sound. Today I'm gonna do the mileage test for this Duke 125. There is a 1 liter of petrol. This is 1 liter of Bisleri bottle, so I filled 1 liter of petrol in this. I'll be pouring it in a Duke 125 and will be calculating using the calculations. Fully completed this petrol filling it. Now I'll be riding in and around cities and will be checking the mileage for 1 liter. KTM has still managed to get his power in this. This doesn't feel like a 125 motorcycle. The KTM has really done a good job in this. The exhaust sound and the designs are same like a 200cc motorcycle, but the power you can see the power. It's very less actually compared to the Duke 200 because it's the lower version. I mean like lower cc bikes. And there are two colors in this, the white and black. The company has claimed that this bike will give the mileage around 38 in the city and around above 45 in the highway. I guess this is the basic bike, and this is for the college students who are in the crush of KTM. This bike is gonna be like a baby for them. This is really a new baby Duke. I'm really liking it, man. The clutch and the power feels so great, and the single channel ABS in this, it's very powerful. Really a powerful machine. The final thing I'm gonna say is this is one of the best bike in 125cc launched by the KTM. This bike really amazed me. The KTM power, still they managed to give so much power in this 125cc bike. But the price for 125cc, it's around like on road like 1,50,000 in Bangalore. It's a bit high, but the KTM brand which gives it, it's okay I guess, because it's giving the powerful cc in 125. I just poured like 1 liter of petrol and I rode like in and around city for like 1 hour. So the max, the company have claimed like 38 it's giving, and it's not a, it's actually a true value which is giving which the mileage is giving now. According to my calculation for 1 liter, I filled for like 70 rupees. It's 1 liter, the price of petrol in 70 rupees in Bangalore. It's like 37 kilometer per liter I got. And yeah, this bike is gonna manage well in the city, and this bike is well useful for college students also.